Hi, this is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic. We're going to do a treatment video today with Genesis. Genesis is having some issues with her right shoulder today. You said it was from weightlifting?
Yeah, I started weightlifting and I heard like some popping.
Okay.
On the shoulder.
Typically she's been coming here for low back and hip stuff, but it's been feeling a lot better. And this is like your 5th visit or somewhere around there.
Somewhere around there.
So we completely resolved that in about 5 visits, which is good. But now we're going to work on the shoulder, and we're going to continue what we've been doing on the low back and hips just to make sure it's all good. So let's go on your stomach, face down. You said you were doing weightlifting?
Yeah, just 8 pounds.
Just 8 pounds. And sometimes that's all you need to do, and you get like, a little bit of that, discomfort because you're just getting back into it, right? So that just happens. You go ahead and breathe in and down. Good. And breathe in and out here. Good. Again. And one more, in then out. Good. Let's go on your back, face up. Moving well as always. And we'll bend this knee a little more, and we'll straighten this one out. How are the kids doing?
They're good.
Relax that.
Okay. Ooh, I cracked it already. Ooh.
Good. And flat on your back. So Genesis really likes to get adjusted. Relax this leg. Let this go really heavy. Good. The hip always moves well with you. Relax this down.
Oh,
And you can. That's right. Good. Perfect. And we'll get this hip to even you out. Relax this leg. Let it go really heavy. There it is. Good. Clunk. I don't think I've adjusted your shoulder before, right?
No.
So relax this. Good. Hand on your cheek here. And breathe in and then out. There you go. Good. Good. You can relax that now. How's your neck been? It's not affected by the shoulder?
No, but I do feel like from that spasm from 2 weeks ago, there's still like when I stretch down, I feel that like it's a pulling in the back on that side.
On the left side?
Yeah, on my left side.
And relax it, just going to check motion. Good. And relax this side. Like I said, she responds really well to adjustments. She really likes it. I mean, I like it myself, which is why I got into it. And just relax this side. I'm going to get nice and low. We'll relax it, let it go. Good.
Oh, that was good.
And then one more here. Good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, let's sit up and see if that spot's still there on the left for sure.
Yeah.
You said when you look down?
Oh, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, when I would do this, it would hurt.
What about your shoulder?
My shoulder, I don't know if I could tell now, but when I do the weights, that's when no, it doesn't
Hurt
pop.
now.
No,
you don't
it
have a
doesn't.
weight in your
Yeah.
hand. Okay. All right, so the popping's gone. Good.
The popping is gone, yeah.
All right, so there you go. That was an
So
adjustment
much.
with Genesis. Thank you so much for watching this video, and thank you for doing a video with me.
Yeah, of
This
course.
is your Sussex County chiropractor, Dr. Will Holdsworth from Pain Relief Chiropractic.